This is Mr. Wright. He fell in love with Miss Wright and asked her to marry him. She said yes. Miss Wright knew their marriage would last, but she just couldn't bear the thought of ever fighting through a painful divorce from Mr. Wright, especially if they had kids down the road. So as part of her wedding planning, Miss Wright hired the Prenup Pros law firm to prepare a concise, easy-to-understand prenuptial agreement at an affordable, flat-fee rate. Mr. and Miss Wright realized that a prenup wouldn't take romance away from their wedding, and it didn't mean they don't trust each other or the strength of their love. They knew that, although they planned to be married forever, life happens, and with the national divorce rate at almost 50%, a call to Prenup Pros could save them from a lot of pain, expense, and uncertainty down the road if things didn't go as planned. With the prenuptial agreement prepared by Prenup Pros, Mr. and Miss Wright got married with more confidence than ever and became Mr. and Mrs. Smart. This is Mr. Wrong and Mrs. Wrong. They fell in love and got married without a prenuptial agreement because Mr. Wrong thought it was unromantic and meant they didn't trust each other. Too bad for both of them. Mr. and Mrs. Wrong's marriage ended after a long, painful, expensive divorce. They spent all of their savings on their divorce attorneys because they didn't have a prenup and fought about pretty much everything. If you are considering marriage, don't be like Mr. and Mrs. Wrong. Contact Prenup Pros and love smarter. Prenup Pros is a law firm that specializes in marital agreements, not a do-it-yourself quick-serve document factory. We offer complimentary consultations, and every member of the Prenup Pros legal staff is a certified premarital counselor, ready to help guide you through the process. Our marital agreements are prepared by experienced attorneys at low, flat fee rates and backed by our unparalleled $50,000 enforceability guarantee because our attorneys stand behind their work. So if you are getting married, make the choice to love smarter and give us a call today, or go to lovesmarter.org and request a complimentary phone consultation with a Prenup Pros attorney. Remember, it's not loving less, it's loving smarter.